Yes, so here we are. We decided to go for a helicopter ride because we are still going around country seeing the beauty of nature. So here we are. First, we had to be weighed our kgs each and every one, and then you sign on the paper. You put your name and everything. Actually, the day before, we had gone to Victoria Falls on ground and we were seeing from the Zimbabwean side. So we thought it was not enough and decided to do the helicopter ride. So we went there, the Wolf family. Here we are having briefings from the helicopter guys telling us the do's and don'ts, if you understand, do's and don'ts and everything. And we were arguing who is going to sit in between because we all wanted to sit by the window to enjoy the views from up there. But finally, Habi gave in and volunteered to sit in between, and everybody was like, oh, because we took so much time just doing there. Guys, I want to tell you something, that this was like a therapeutic, something good to do, away from the noise of like congested cities and everyday activities that we usually do. This was really nice. So here we are by the helicopter going in, and to tell you the truth, I enjoyed the ride. I enjoyed the the customer service from these guys. They were really friendly and all. So I had to wait for everyone to get in, since I was the most lightweight, so that I would sit last on them. We enjoyed the views. Kanamazogara, just save once and do this with your family. You actually enjoy everything. Before, they had decided on splitting us, and our captain was actually a very good one. We were bothering him with a lot of questions, but he was up to them and he was answering a lot of them. And by the way, they ended up naming me Spotter, Madam Spotter, because I was always the first to spot the animals from up there. So that is our takeoff, and it was really good. The last time I had this, I did it back in UAE, but now it felt different as I was doing it at home, and we were seeing different animals from up there, including elephants, lions, buffaloes. Our country is loaded. Technically, that's the view that you can see from up there while you are in the helicopter. So, to advise you, one, you can enjoy the ride of a helicopter, but the view is really smoky and nice from down there, I'm telling you. Did you know that the name Victoria Falls was named after Queen Victoria's visit to the Great Falls? But actually, that's not the name for this river. These mighty falls are called Mosi-oa-Tunya. That's the that's the local name instead of Queen Victoria. Victoria Falls is just named because it is the one that is popular, especially with the West and European countries and tourists that come, the English tourist ones. But the name is called Mosi-oa-Tunya.